As a cook, tastes and smells are my memories, and I'm in search of some new ones. I'm ready to experience some chocolat epiphanies that I've never experienced. Extreme chocolat, emotional chocolat. I'll try anything, I'll risk everything, I have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Welcome to On Egging with James. Hello and welcome back again to On Egging with James. We're here in the Kinder kitchen, and today what we're going to try to do for the very first time is create our very own chocolat surprise egg. It's something I've never tried before. Usually I get it from Kinder or other various high quality chocolatiers. Today I'm going to try my egg. It's going to be about this big. Very cool. Wish me luck, y'all. Stay tuned. First thing I'm gonna do is open my chocolats. Now, one of the chocolats is not looking great to me. And this is something, if you see this, you're gonna wanna maybe throw this one out. It's a little bit yellow, discolored, a little bit crusty. Always play it safe with your chocolat, because you can always get another one down at the local convenience store or supermarket. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in the trash. If I need a fifth chocolat, I will get it for my large collection. Cheers, stay tuned, thanks for watching. Water in this pot, I'm gonna let that heat up a little bit and scoop my chocolat into this bowl. Starting to get a little bit hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this bowl right in the pot and just wait for the Kinder magic to happen. Well, the eggs that I put in there didn't look like it was quite gonna be enough, so just to be safe I popped in a couple of these Kinder chocolate bars. And now it's all melted, and I'm gonna just try my hand at putting this chocolat in the egg mold. Welcome back, y'all. So right now I have the evenly coated egg molds chilling in the freezer for a few minutes, and wish me luck because I'm about to pull them out and see if I can get them to stick together into an egg formation, and I'm gonna put a surprise capsule inside. Cheers. Thanks for watching on Egging with James here in Kinder Kitchen. Egg molds are out and looking good. Looking so fucking good. Look at those fucking molds. God damn. Fuck yeah. What I'm gonna do is basically add a little bit of extra melted chocolat, the hot spoon around the edges, and I'm gonna place the surprise in the middle. And then I'm gonna take these clips and clip the mold together and let that hang out for a while and then see what happens. Cheers, thank you for watching On Egging with James. So I'm very pleased with the results. The egg looks totally gorgeous, and considering the fact that there was no actual instructions on the mold itself, and that I had basically no knowledge of baking at all or anything like that before I did this, more of a consumer of chocolat, I'm very excited about this beautiful egg, which you can see here. And so, I will now try. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Wow. That is incredible. The flavors are just mixing and enticing my tongue. There's the crunch from the crispy chocolate wafers, the crispy wafers that come inside the Kinder Joy. I'm really getting a lot of that. Very cool. Well, let's crack this open a little bit. See how our toy is doing? Booyah. Alright, I'm gonna open that little capsule and show you what is inside the egg. Cheers. It's nice and cold. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked on 2 great new pins that came out of an egg that I made. Seems like a very momentous day on Egging with James. I made my own egg for the very first time. Got a banner now, which is cool, and I can't wait to bring you more egg content here on the YouTube channel on Egging with James. And now I'm gonna finish my egg. Cheers, thanks for watching.